In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your customers' email addresses in QuickBooks. This process is straightforward, so let's dive right in. We begin by logging into QuickBooks. Start by clicking on the Sign In button. This step is essential as it grants you access to your QuickBooks online account and all the powerful tools it offers for managing your business data. Once you've signed in, we'll make our way to the settings. Look towards the top right corner of the QuickBooks interface, and you'll see the gear icon. This little icon is your command center for all system settings. Here, you can tweak your account settings and customize your QuickBooks experience, and it's where we'll begin our export process. When you click on the gear icon, a list of various options related to your account and preferences appears. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's more straightforward than it looks. What we're focusing on today is the option to export data, so go ahead and click on that. Exporting data is an essential function, whether you need it for backup, data analysis, or sharing with team members in other departments. Once you've clicked on Export Data, you'll be guided through a series of steps specifically designed for exporting. Inside the Export Data section, you'll notice a tab labeled Lists. This is where QuickBooks organizes much of the input data, including all your detailed customer information. So, go ahead and click on the Lists tab. This feature is incredibly handy for both managing and exporting your customer lists efficiently. After you're in the Lists section, the next task is to locate and click on Customers. Selecting this option is crucial as it refines the data selection specifically to customer information, the exact data set we want to export today. QuickBooks will then load up your customer data, preparing it for export to your device. Now comes the part where your data is whisked away into a format you can easily use. Click on the Export to Excel button. What this action does is instruct QuickBooks to compile all your customer information into a neat spreadsheet, which is then downloaded directly to your computer. This Excel file format is incredibly versatile, making it perfect for reviewing, manipulating, and sharing the data as your needs dictate. And just like that, your customer email addresses are now successfully exported from QuickBooks, safe and sound on your computer in the convenient format of an Excel file. You can open it anytime to verify the contents or to further organize the data for your business needs. Remember, keeping an organized record of your customer contacts can be hugely beneficial for marketing and maintaining relationships with your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.